Nilfisk has a very interesting history. It dates back to 1906, where Fisker established a company, Nilfisk. He did that together with Marius Nielsen. Nielsen and Fisker, they were very interested in new innovation, new technology, which at the time was electric motors. So they invented this motor, and that actually became the first electric vacuum cleaner to be launched in Europe. Then we all know First World War came, Second World War came, scarcity of resources. Today we think about refurbing products, take-back programs. We did that 100 years ago, but for different reasons. We didn't have access to resources to the same extent as we do today, and that was part of our business, part of our DNA. The thought about developing vacuum cleaners was also anchored in protecting people's lives. So cleaning, health and safety is really something that we've been focusing on for more than 100 years.
Jeg, Nilfisk, samler det sundhedsfarlige støv i min hermetisk lukkede stålbeholder.
We've grown over the years, so we're still a company headquartered in Denmark, Danish roots. We have an international presence. We have more than 4,700 employees. They operate on 90 different sites across the world. Our portfolio of products span from consumer vacuum cleaners to big industrial floor scrubbers that we offer to more than 100 countries around the world. To us, sustainability is really at the core of everything we do. That's where we want to go. We're a big industrial company. We know we have an impact. We pull resources. We use plastic for machines. Our machines consume water, electricity, sometimes detergent. So we can really make an impact, and that's important. So our ambition is to become the most sustainable company in our industry, to inspire our entire industry to follow suit, and that can make an impact on the world.
We believe and we take it seriously that we need climate action, and we need it urgently. And we've chosen a path that is science-based in our contribution towards that end. So when Nilfisk look at our emissions, what we can see is what really drives our Scope 3 emissions are the emissions related to the use phase of our products. Now, Nilfisk products, they run on energy, right? And we like to think that they last long. So therefore we will see, and we do see, a lot of emissions taking place when our products are being put to use at our customers' facilities. And we see that 82% of our emissions are actually made up by the product usage. And that's where we need to really become creative and invent new solutions to address those emissions. And that's why we set an ambitious target for new product solutions that need to be 25% more energy efficient than previous comparable platforms. For sure that is not easy, but we need to set those ambitious targets for ourselves if we are to achieve the 1.5 or well below 2.0 degree target. It has to do a lot with efficiency, and that's where it just makes a lot of sense for us as a company as well, because it taps into our research and development and our ability to present the market with new innovative products that are more energy efficient.
Users don't often know how to use the machine, whether they're highly experienced or they're a real novice. So the tendency for cleaners is to put all of the settings on maximum. So they use the maximum amount of power, the maximum amount of water, the maximum amount of detergent, and the maximum amount of machine pressure. And basically you're over cleaning and you're creating a lot of waste. So we've learnt this and we've designed interfaces for people that stops them from making those kind of user errors. So they can use the machine in a more efficient way, but they can also produce the right quality of clean. The 550 is not just a new machine for Nilfisk, but it's the first of a next generation of machines from Nilfisk. So this is a very insight-led machine. It's been designed to promote usability, no matter what the experience level of the operator, but it's also been designed to be more efficient, not just in the way that we make it, but also in the way that it's used, and therefore that it has a less impact on the environment and it produces less waste.
This facility is located in Italy, in the area of Modena, and it's over the mountains at a level of 800 meters above the sea level. We produce here IVS, Industrial Vacuum System. About 110 people work here in Zocca, in this facility. To make it more sustainable, we decided to invest, first of all, and spend some money to do that. And we invested in two directions. One is the reduction of the consumption and the reduction of waste, of course. And the other way was to invest in clean energy. We always say that people make the difference. That's true. So what I think is good is to train people and to help people to become more and more conscious on this problem. Working together on this field and in this direction for me is extremely important.
There's a big story at Nilfisk in terms of what we're doing. We've spent years in research and development of this machine. So it's not a one-off, it is the first of. So the kind of exciting times are ahead, but we can't reveal that right now. So, but hopefully everybody's going to get a good sense of what the ambition is and what we're trying to achieve and what we're trying to do as we kind of progress these philosophies through other machines.
Sustainability is really close to my heart, and I can sort my garbage at home, but when I step into the office, I can really make a significant difference because we are a big global company, and if we can reduce our footprint, then I can make a true difference, and that really motivates me.
There are a lot of new requirements relating to sustainability with climate change, global warming, climate action being extremely urgent. So bridging the past and the present with sustainability is just a great challenge and great opportunity.